Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make king chili pickle with garlic. First, gather your fresh king chilies, garlic cloves, and a selection of aromatic spices like mustard seeds, fenugreek, and turmeric powder. Make sure your chilies are washed and thoroughly dried to prevent spoilage. Sterilize your glass jar and lid by boiling them, then let them air dry completely. This crucial step ensures a safe and delicious pickle. Next, carefully chop your king chilies into small pieces, or slice them lengthwise, and mince your garlic. In a large bowl, combine the chopped chilies and garlic with your chosen spices, salt, and a generous amount of mustard oil. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure an even distribution of flavors. Transfer this mixture into your sterilized jar, making sure to leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top. Now it's time for the magic of fermentation. Seal your jar tightly and place it in a cool, dark spot away from direct sunlight. For the first few weeks, gently shake the jar every 2 to 3 days to redistribute the oil and spices. This helps the flavors meld beautifully and prevents mold. Allow the pickle to ferment for at least 2 to 3 weeks, or even longer for the best taste. Once your king chili pickle has fermented to perfection, it's ready to be enjoyed. This fiery condiment pairs wonderfully with a variety of dishes, adding a spicy kick to your meals. After opening, store any unused pickle in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and extend its shelf life for several months. And speaking of good things, if you're looking for a fantastic way to stay refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.